Hi there, I'm Richard Rosenthal of the Friedman Rosenthal team at Brown Harris Stevens, and we're here to present our new listing at 201 East 79th Street, Apartment 2F. However, I'm a little bit more than that because I'm a 25-year shareholder in this building, and I'm so proud of what we've done over the last few years. We've taken a 1960s white brick building and completely renovated it, outside, inside, and the guts to make it into a brand new modern building. We have a brand new facade, which is gorgeous. We have new electric, new air conditioning. I can go through so many things that we've replaced or renovated. I'll do that when you come visit us at Apartment 2F, which Mark will take you through now.
Hi, I'm Mark Friedman. Welcome to 2F, a mint condition split 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment. And I'm gonna show you around right now. You're gonna love it. You know, Richard, I know you live in the building and it's a fantastic building with a parking garage, but what's in the neighborhood?
I guess you can say that we live in the heart of the Upper East Side, so what's the benefit? Access. Access to transportation, access to great food places, access to great restaurants, access to great schools, everything within 2 blocks. But come to visit us at 2F and we'll show you.
Email us at frteam@bhsusa.com. We'll give you a tour.